today I'm gonna make a Barbie-sized pumpkin, like jack-o'-lantern, and for this you'll need a styrofoam ball, or if you don't have a styrofoam ball, you can use a Christmas ornament, and then you'll also need orange paint or whatever color you want your jack-o'-lantern to be. You'll need a black marker for the details on the face. You'll need some scissors. You'll also need, if this is optional, if you want to add stuff like accessories, or let's see, like you could add glitter, orange glitter for the eye, make it look sparkly, or orange paint. No, sorry, you already need orange paint. Or maybe yellow paint just to go in the eyes and make it look like it's glowing. So yeah, that's all you're gonna need for this. Start by cutting the bottom of your ornament or styrofoam ball to make it flat. Now get ready to paint your jack-o'-lantern base, and I'm painting mine orange, and you can paint yours any color you like. Once the color of paint you've chosen for your base has dried completely, start doing the details with the black marker, and if you like, for optional, you could add the glitter and yellow paint to make eyes glow. Welcome to a new angle of art. Well, just continue with the details, and later you can do the stem, and you can eventually create something which looks sort of cartoony and sort of creepy. So that brings us to the end of this video. Happy Halloween. If you want to make the handle which is present in my pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern, then you could take an orange paper clip, unfold it, make it look like a handle, and use an adhesive to attach it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells for more videos like these. Bye! Happy Halloween!